Okay, so for making ozone, we're going to start off with tetravalent oxygen, and then once we have that placed, we are going to grab the oxygen atom and override those hydrogens by just clicking on them when we have the oxygen atom selected. Note we don't need to tell Gaussian anything about the bond order, only its multiplicity and its charge in the calculation setup, which should be the same as you did for oxygen. Now everything we've made has been pretty simple so far, so this hasn't come up. But we have a clean feature up in the toolbar. So if we were to have an inappropriate angle like that, we could hit the clean button and it'll correct everything to a Vesper approximation. Okay, so with either the log or the checkpoint file, we can now take our measurements, which go up to the inquire tool, and this time instead of just looking at bond lengths, we can just click 3 atoms instead, and we can get a bond angle. We just have to make sure that you click the atoms in order. Then of course you can go up to results summary and can get the same window as before, except this time we have a non-zero dipole. Okay, so now to make hydrogen peroxide, we're going to start off with tetravalent oxygen again, which will place our little water molecule right there. And if we click on one of the hydrogens, it will override the hydrogen with an OH, which will give us hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so at this point, you should be pretty familiar with how to use the inquire tool. You've taken bond measurements or bond length, bond angles, and now we're going to be looking at bond dihedrals, which can be done in the same manner, except this time you click on 4 contiguous atoms, and that will give us a dihedral.